Hi Jenny lovers, how are you all doing today? So this is your girl Jennifer Chris, and today I'll be unboxing some of the things that I got for you guys to see, and at the same time I'll be reviewing them, meaning I'm going to use them and then come back and tell you guys how good and how I enjoyed using it. So one of the things I'm going to be unboxing today is Zekel products. Can you see that? Can you see that? Zekel products, right? Yeah. So today I happened to I went to their store, okay, their wholesale store, and I decided to get some palettes from them. So you guys, let's do the unboxing right away. Okay, so apart from the things I got from Zekel today, I have some other things that I would like to unbox and review for you guys. So let's keep watching. Do not click out, keep watching, and please do give this video a thumbs up, okay? And if you're new to my channel, you guys, you are welcome. This is a channel that I do majorly fashion, beauty, hair, makeup, and what have you. Do it yourself. Basically, do it yourself. So if this is the kind of content you like watching, please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. And to my returning subscribers, I love you so much. Thank you for the support. So today I'll be unboxing this palette. Ta-da! Okay, so let's bring it out. Yes, let me show you guys. Can you see? Can you see? It's Zekel. I have never ever used this product before. This will be my very first time of using Zekel products, and I would love to try it on and review it for you guys if it's worth your money, and if not, fine. So this one I got from a wholesale store, and it's 6,500 naira. Yeah, this palette, this is an eyeshadow palette, by the way. Okay, this is an eyeshadow palette. So I got it for 6,500 naira only. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this. My scissors is far from me right now, so I'll be making use of my claws. My claws, you guys. Or probably my teeth. Okay. Oh my god. Yeah. Can you see this? Can you see this? I think I love the packaging though. Yeah, I love the packaging. So let's open this up and see what's inside. This thing is difficult to open. Oh my god. Oh my god. How do I do this? I just need to tear it open. Ah! Okay, so I just need to tear it open. I don't have time. I don't have patience for proper unboxing. Yes, so this is it right here. So this is the moment of truth, you guys. Let us see. Ta-da! Oops, something fell, but I think I love this. I think I love this. Let me bring it closer so you guys can see. Can you see the colors? Like, it is all encompassing. I can see white, I can see black. Yeah, black is one of my favorite eyeshadow colors. I can see yellow. Yellow is one of my favorite eyeshadow colors. I can also see green. I can, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And I have never ever used your product before. So right now I am going to, you know, do a face bit with it. I'm going to try it on and come and give you guys the review. I'll tell you if you should go for it or not, if it's worth your money or not, because yeah, it's pricey. It's 6,500 naira. Yeah, so this aside. Then let us also check this. This is a multi-purpose lipstick palette. Okay, it's a lipstick palette. So some of you who don't like using the, and some of you who like to play with colors on your lips, you can make do with this. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Oh my god, I think I'm loving it already. Okay. Yeah. Oh my god. Ta-da! Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is really beautiful. It has all the colors in here. Let me see. So this particular lipstick palette is from Blossom Makeup NG. Okay, you can get them on Instagram, Blossom Makeup NG, website Blossom Makeup NG, Facebook Blossom Makeup NG, but I got it in the Zekel store. So I guess they are probably in partnership or something. So you can see it has the names of the colors he writes here. You can see it has the names of the colors right here, and the colors are beautiful, you guys. The colors are beautiful. I can see there's black here. There's black here. There are like 4 or 5 shades of brown. And yeah, so it's cool. So you guys, I'm going to be making use of this right away, and then I'll get back to you if this is worth your money. By the way, this was also 6,500 naira. I'm going to be making use of it, and I'll get back to you if it is worth your money. Okay, so let's move over to the Zekel nude lip gloss. This is it right here, Zekel nude lip gloss. I also got this today, and yeah, I actually used it on my lips, and I think I like the way it feels. But let us use it on makeup, let us use it on lipstick, and then I'll probably tell you if it is worth your money. So this one, I got it for 1,500 naira, right? So what else? Okay, I got this wax stick. Is for your weave-ons and your units and what have you. So this wax stick is going to help you if you're going to lay your frontal. It's going to help your frontal lay properly, or your closure lay properly. So yeah, I got this, and I'm going to also be using this for you guys to see, and I'll let you know if it is worth your money. So this is what it looks like inside. So what else? Okay, so I also got these rollers. This is for, my hair. I would like to braid my hair very, very soon. So I will also love to make French curls. You guys know that I'm in love with French curls. Like, it's undeniable. I am in love with French curls. So I want to try another method of French curls. So I'll be using this. This one is for that purpose. So what else? Okay, so you guys, I'm going to be doing my makeup off camera, and then I will be back.
To talk about you. 2 years since I met you, 1 year dating now. I'm ready for forever. Everybody got to know you. Baby, you know, no see me, I be the plan to marry you. And no be only day too, I already know I feel you. I want get it. When you look for film, nebe. Give them something to talk about you. Ebelebe, enenebe nwa. When you look for film, nebe.
Oh my god, you guys, you are welcome back. Okay, so this is the final look of my first time using Zekel Cosmetics. Okay, and what I can say is that this eyeshadow palette, this 24 colors eyeshadow palette, is exactly what you need. you can play around with colors. You can play around colors with this. It has 24 different colors, and I really enjoyed using it. And you guys, it is worth your money. It is actually worth your money. Okay, yeah. So let me show you the colors that I actually used. I actually used this for my eyeshadow. Okay, yeah, I used this, and I used both of these gold colors. Okay, so I tried to play around with colors, and I really enjoyed using it. And yeah, like I said earlier, it is worth your money. Okay, if you've always wanted to buy this but you were scared of how it's going to come out, okay, and you've not used it before, you were scared of how it's going to come out, I can assure you that you can go ahead and get this product. It is absolutely amazing. I loved using it, and I played around with colors, and I loved it. And it's really pigmented. Okay, it's highly pigmented. So you guys, if you really want to get this, you can go ahead and get this Zikel Cosmetic 24 colors eyeshadow palette. Okay, now moving on, this is the bomb, you guys. Like, look at my lips. Yeah, this is the bomb, you guys. This is the bomb. Like, I used about 4 different colors for my lips here. I used the dark brown, light pink, this peach color, and I also used this brown here. So I played around with colors. Like, I just wanted to, you know, see what I can do with it. And if you really love to play with colors, play around colors, go ahead and get this lipstick palette. It is wonderful. Like, I really enjoyed using it. And guys, guess what? All you need to do is just use a little bit, like just a little bit, and it's going to give you exactly what you want. So today I wanted a nude lips, like natural lips, and it gave me exactly what I wanted. I'm still going to try it. I'm going to try both colors, like purple and red, much later, but I really like this. I love this combo. I love the combo. Okay, so this is not a sponsored ad. Okay, this is just me reviewing products that I'm using for the very first time. So it worked for me, and it's given, and I love it. Next one is this Zikel lip gloss. Okay, it is nude. Let me show you what is written on it. Can you guys see that? It's written Zikel nude lip gloss. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I applied it on my lips, you guys. I did. Okay, and it's giving me that, you know, glossy finishing that I really wanted, and it's cool. This one is just 1,500 naira. You can get it anywhere. So if you've been thinking about getting this lip gloss from Zikel, go ahead and get it. Okay, so it's actually worth your money. It's just 1,500. It's not that much, so you can actually get it, and it's going to serve you. The next thing I'm going to be reviewing is this wax stick. This is actually my very first time using this wax stick, and I love what it gave me. As you can see, look at my closure. It really gave me that beautiful you know, lush and sleek look that I wanted. Yeah, it really gave me that sleek look that I wanted. So I don't think it matters which brand you're getting. I am not advertising this brand whatsoever, but I'm just trying to say that if you had it in mind to get a wax stick before now and you've not used it before, go ahead and get it, because it's actually worth your money. This one is about 2,500 naira only, you guys, only. So yes, we have come to the end of this video, and I am so satisfied with today's review, because it gave me this absolutely beautiful look that I love so much. Okay, yeah, I love this look so much. It's amazing. I didn't know that my makeup is going to come out looking this sleek. Okay, yeah, so it came out looking really amazing, and I love it. So you guys, we've come to the end of this video. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this product. Okay, and If you are new to my channel, kindly click on that subscribe button below, turn on all the notification bells so you'll be the first person to get notified once I upload a new video. And to my return subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you to you guys. You guys are awesome. Continue doing the great job. I love you guys so much. So we've come to the end of this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.
2 years since I met you, 1 year dating now. I'm ready for forever. Everybody got to know you. Baby, you know, no see me happy, they plan to marry you. And no be only day too, I already know I go, I feel you. I want get it, when you look for film,